Have a nice day, guys. Just I will show you the how to fix the toilet hanging bowl. But before we discuss this one, I will intercept the installation of this kind of porcelain. This is made in India, an abstract design. This is porcelain. It's about 120 by 60 centimeter. If you determine this one, that is abstract, right? See the abstract. Here is the point of joint. This tiles 1, tiles 2, 3 and 4. See the opposite for this one. What happened for me camera? You are dancing, you are joking, you are wasting my time. This one, see, if you find here. Oh, you are dancing. I'm not making a sound. This one, see here. This is the opposite from here. This opposite from here. See, you see the opposite. All of this there is design. So the tile sitter must know the balance of the design. What will be, because I found one bathroom, they make like commercial work, They don't know where is the 1, 2, 3, 4, the ABCD of the tile. That's why I said, oh, this is a porcelain. This very expensive porcelain. Why customer like to buy this design? Because there is something value, there is something meaning, You see, you found this nothing connection because for the design, even in the floor. So only, by the way, I will show you how to fix the hanging bowl. This is the button, the maximum plus and the minimum plus. Inside this one, there is a water tank for the they call this chiffon. Yeah, they call for Saudi Arab is chiffon. That is water tank for the bowl. Here you see this is the plus. Here that area is the water tank, and this is the bowl. Here inside, there is a both side. There is a rod to hold this bowl. Up in the center there is water dispenser, and the down is the P-trap drainage for the waste. So this is one. You see, you determine by the maintenance of the cleanliness of our bathroom. You can clean down of the bowl. See, very neat. You cannot you see the simple, very simple, very neat. So that's it. I will show you how to fix. I will show you the setup, how to prepare the accessories to hold strongly this bowl. But my camera reacting. So let's go for the how to assemble. Only I show you the demonstration, the item. So guys, you can determine this one. My camera is abusing for me. This is now the setup for plus. This is the plus for the medium and maximum water dispense. Here, as what I said, this side depicts already the tank, and this is what I mean. This two rod, this is rod, and the other one is rod. It is holding the bowl, you know. This water dispense from the tank, and this is the P-trap drainage. See, it's about 40 centi from the floor. That is the rod. This is the rod, and the other one the rod. This one the water dispenser, the water supply, and this is for wastewater for drainage, you know. P-trap. So that is only, guy, very neat. That is the plus. They put the temporarily styrofoam to cover to protect the tank inside, not to put some objects like sand or stone. So this is one only, guy, and thank you for watching. Thank you, and have a nice day again.